The NMR facility uses a scheduling service called Faces. It is hosted at the University of Georgia. It is available as a web page and a link for the site is on the NMR facility's web page. Also, on the facility's web page is a link to download our manual for using Faces. Download this document and read it for full instructions for the site. When you open the Faces homepage, you will find a login form. The first time you use the site, these values will be blank. If you check the save box for each line, these values will repopulate every time you call up the site. Only save your username and password on your own personal computer. The group entry is not your research group. For our schedules you must enter USC-NMR. The underscore works as well, and it will display on your next visit if you save USC-NMR. Your username will be sent to you in an email after your first training session. That email will also include a temporary password. Change the password on your first visit to the site. When you enter the correct group, username and password and then click the Go button, a window will open. This window includes a row of links at the top. One option is password. This will open a window where you can enter a new password. On the left you will see a box with Choose a Schedule. This is a pull-down menu that will show the instruments that are available for you to use. This list will be different than shown here and is based on your level of training. Choose the instrument you want to reserve time on and the schedule will appear. Previously reserved time will show in bold colors. Any black areas are time you are not approved to use. The schedule is made up of small time blocks. The lengths of the blocks are different for different instruments in the facility, so keep this in mind as you reserve time. To reserve time, move the mouse cursor to the starting time block and click the left mouse button. Then move to the block of the ending time and click. If you just want a single block, click the same block again. A dialog window will open. The comment field is optional. Review the time. If it is incorrect, click on the Cancel button. If the time is correct, click on the OK option. You will be returned to the schedule and your reservation should show in a bold color. From here you can click on the reserved time slot and a dialog box will open with the reservation details. If it is your time, you could delete it with the Delete button. Close the window to exit the schedule. If left open, Faces will log you out after a period of time. This has been a brief overview of the Faces scheduling website. Please refer to the manual for more details and ask the staff if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.